Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. Today we have 2012 5 Series BMW F10. The engine computer have a problem. Together, let us see here what is the symptom and what is the solution at least. Again, here we just start the car and the car is shaking too much, and it shows that cylinder number 2 is misfiring. All other job is being done, replacing the coil, the injector, all the pre-test cylinder compression test, all this was being done. The conclusion is the engine computer is no good. Now our question is that what's gonna happen for us to change the engine computer? There is two ways. The first one, if you are able to get the part number, the same one, and the computer is communicating, you will be able to read the information out of the engine computer and write it back to the new unit, to the new old unit from a used car. And then from there you do coding and programming and the car will work. The second thing is to get a brand new computer from the dealer and you program it and code it and it will work perfectly. When you read the information out of this one, you have to read the secret SKU number and you have to put to zero the mileage, the hour working time. It have hour time functionality. I was using the machine which is console. This is a used computer. There is a video there down that I was able to read the information from here using AutoHex and read it from the original computer and write it here. And after that it worked fine. The car is started and everything, but we're getting a problem. The transmission is not coming out of park, which was gonna address that in a few. But for putting a used computer, does it work or not? Yes. All BMW with the CAS module, if you are able to read the SKU number, sometimes you cannot read it. You can read it from the computer, but you cannot write it back in the computer. You can read it and write it back into the CAS module and then do the SCN and coding. It will work fine and it will save you some money, and also you fix your car. I was using these tools here. They call it which is BMW Ista, and it's work fine. This is offline. It is like you get it on eBay, you get it in other place, but it is not fully function as I recommend. You can go and buy one from there, but if you need the really work to do, it is better for you to buy. Okay, diagnose the car. It is better to buy subscription with a pass-through device or with the icon. It will work fine. I'm going to set up the connection. You see here, soon I have the VIN number populated. The car is F10 sedan, engine N20 528i, Xdrive, N20 auto, US build. I'm going to do it here. I have one video in Arabic version, in Arabic language. It may help also. So here it says the battery is below Shroid, but I cannot do anything because of this information here. So we're gonna wait. Last time when I read it, it have like 76 codes, and one of the code it say cylinder number 2 misfire. Any gray, that means there is a problem with the module. Green, that means the module is there, is communicating and is good. The battery voltage right now is 11.2. You say use a charger. Always when you work on BMW car, get a charger. You see here I have 76 code. If you're gonna display the fault, you're gonna see what happened. You see here, there's a lot of codes. You see here, say cylinder number 2 is misfire. If you wanna go to calculate, you can calculate it. If you don't wanna calculate, it's a different story. But I just give you the idea that it is possible to change the computer, to narrow down the problem. After you narrow down the problem and it is okay, you have to change the computer. If you have a computer like this and you need to write the SQ number, I have no problem. Call me, email me, send it to me. I will be able to read and write and activate the use computer for you to work. For all BMW and Mini from 2007, 8, 9, 10 up to today. If it's possible, I will be happy to do it for you. Thank you for